Hi guys, hope you're all doing great. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to generate or make YouTube thumbnail for your tutorial. Are you ready? So let's get started. Open your browser and log in into chatgpt.com. Then after that, you should write like that. Generate a YouTube thumbnail for my YouTube thumbnail for my tutorial. Okay, how to uninstall a program on Mac OS. That's just an example. Okay, you can put your title here, whatever you want. So just click on that. It will ask you, do you want to your face include in thumbnail? And you should provide this information. I don't want to include my face. Okay. And do you have a specific style? I don't have a specific style. You can specify a style and whatever you want and enter it. Okay, as you can see, it's generating the thumbnail. So you should wait. It depends on your internet connection. If you have, as you can see, the thumbnail is ready. You can click on that. How to uninstall program on Mac OS. You can download it. Okay, that's how you can generate YouTube thumbnail with ChatGPT for free. That's it guys, hope you will like it. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. See you in the next video.